876 Street.
My name is Kenito Murdoch.
My name is Jody Ann Murdoch, and I'm a member of the 876 Streets team. I drive an Evolution X, otherwise known as an Evolution 10. We call her BISHI. We've recently upgraded the exhaust system and added a blow-off valve which sounds pretty sweet.
On a 2002 Honda Civic turbocharged K24 car fast. Yeah, machine.
I've always liked Evolutions, but I can't say it was an interest. Like, I was more of a pickup truck type of girl, big vehicles. But ever since I joined 876 Streets, I realized, boy, the big vehicle now cut it. We need something that's smaller, more compact, also can be a family vehicle, but has the play lifestyle and power. I would say daddy.
My dad. Yeah, he used to go to Dover and used to go with him, fall in love. Said to him that one day I must race at Dover, and I did. Yeah.
No, can't get tired of BISHI. Why, it's just so much excitement driving. It's never just a regular drive. You have the option to be in normal mode or sport mode, but from you hit the streets, just the sound of the exhaust, the sound of the blow off, and people playing with you on the streets on a daily basis, there's no option to get tired.
Can't get tired. I love it. The machine.
The purpose of the car is 50-50. It's daily and it's race. I still need to move around, still need to get to work, and I still need to have a vehicle to take our daughters to school. And seeing that my husband's sole purpose for his car is race, then we have to sort of tone BISHI down a bit.
Well, first time it was daily, but now turning a race car, so not every day again.
So far is the exhaust.
Turbo. Yeah, that is the killer right there.
There's a certain element of darkness with the red mud guards that just adds a very mean sports look to it, almost making it fat and heavy. So I think the color, along with the few hints of red.
The front of it. Yeah.
Would I sell BISHI? No. From the very first day I saw BISHI, I was in love all over again. I didn't know it was possible to love a car the way you love a person. I hear man say it all the time, so them love them car, but I actually feel it now. So no, I wouldn't sell. I think this car will stay with me for a lifetime. I've actually been pulled over by the police several times. First of all, the reaction is pretty funny. But one little girl I drive a car. Followed by my speed limit, warnings, and then the last thing they have to say is, give me something before you move off. So I think they're pretty intrigued.
Only for time. When them pull me over, them say them want looking at the engine bay. It's alright. Then nobody give me no ticket again. Them say alright, give me something now. I have to squeeze it. Yeah.
The best advice to give to somebody that wants to join the car scene, it's exciting, especially for females to feel so welcomed into the group. It's a great feeling for guys who want to race. Sometimes it comes naturally, but go for it. You know, there's a lot of love, there's a lot of unity within the car scene, and I've gained so many friends and so many family members, I would say, over the period. So yeah, go for it.
Do it safe. Yeah, don't rush and get this and get that. Just do it right and done. Enjoy your car.
In the love zone, you don't have to be alone.
Oh my God. I actually saw him on the very first day of high school. That's a very long time ago. Yeah. And I told my friend one day I'm gonna marry that guy. So we got together in college, and the rest is history.
Come rest your head on my shoulder.
His favorite color, God, you guys are killing me. I would say his favorite color is blue.
Blue.
Holding you tight.
Turquoise.
My favorite color is turquoise.
Letting you know that your love
Kenita's favorite food is fried chicken. God, do I know my husband?
Fried chicken. Yeah.
in the love zone.
2 hours later.
Big steel. No, I'm not sure I remember.
Stew peas, pig stew.
Oh, baby, don't.
Hip hop.
Hip hop. Souls. R&B. Yeah.
Souls are.
In the love zone.
Kenito's dream car is, I don't remember the exact name of the car, but it's that cross between Subaru and Toyota has just merged. The Subiota car.
The BRZ. BRZ? Yeah. The Toyota Subaru where you drive. Yeah.
Italia Subi.
Right.
Your love.
Mitsubishi. Yeah.
Mitsubishi Evolution. Beach is fast and crazy, right?
Yeah.
Faster, crazier than daddy's car?
Yeah.
Better car than daddy car, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Definitely me.
Wish.
Who's faster?
The Beast.
The Beast? For now. I'm deprived by a speed cut right now, but I promise you, once as the speed cut is removed, you will see a different version of BG.
The Beast.
Bonnie and Clyde, Hove and B, holla. All I need in this life is sin. It's me and my girlfriend. Me and my girlfriend.
Down the ride to the very end. It's me and my boyfriend.
So, he has a surprise for me, but I don't know if the surprise is that thing behind me. I don't know what it is, but I'm not allowed to look behind me. Is that my surprise?
I said to look straight ahead.
Alright. What could it be? Why is the car loud? Huh?
And that's the
god, I was like, he left with a big box.
To the very end, it's me and my boyfriend.
I would actually say I'm a ride or die. And the ride or die thing actually came up one night. We were coming from Orange Park and his axle broke. We were tugging the car or having it towed, and he underestimated the hill ahead and thought that after pulling off the strings, pulling off the rope, the car would make it over the hill. We were coming to a halt. It was one of two things. I steer and him push, but you know, if you do the whole switch over for me, go around in the driver's seat, might as well me push. So I went for it. And our friend actually videoed it. So it was a pretty cool moment, but it was actually real, and a lot of people thought it was hoaxed. So yeah, I'm a ride or die. Ride or die?
Ride or die.
It's me and my girlfriend. Me and my girlfriend.
Down the ride to the very end, it's me and my boyfriend.
That's right. All I need in this life is sin. It's me and my girlfriend. Me and my girlfriend.